This Gotham Steel Hammered 15 pieces ceramic cookware set is a complete, performance-driven kitchen solution designed for home cooks who want durability, healthy non-stick cooking, and professional-level results without the hassle of traditional cookware. Combining advanced ceramic and titanium coating technology with elegant hammer design, this cookware set is built to elevate everyday cooking while simplifying cleanup and meal preparation. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. This cookware set stands out immediately for its commitment to non-toxic, healthier cooking. Gotham Steel's T-Ceramic ceramic coating is completely free from PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium, allowing you to cook daily meals with confidence. Whether preparing breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this cookware supports low-oil cooking without compromising flavor, texture, or presentation. The nonstick surface is reinforced multiple times and enhanced with diamond particles, creating an ultra-smooth cooking surface that resists scratching and wear. Food releases effortlessly without the need for seasoning, butter, or oil, making this set ideal for anyone pursuing healthier eating habits. Eggs slide cleanly, sauces pour without sticking, and proteins cook evenly without tearing. Heat performance is another area where this cookware excels. Each pot and pan features a full aluminum composition with a spiralized base designed to distribute heat evenly across the entire cooking surface. This eliminates hot spots and dead zones, ensuring consistent results whether you're simmering, frying, boiling, or steaming. The cookware is compatible with induction cooktops as well as gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops, offering maximum versatility. The hammered exterior finish is not just visually striking, but also engineered for durability. It resists stains, scratches, and discoloration while maintaining a premium appearance that looks elegant on the stovetop or dining table. This makes the set suitable for both daily cooking and special occasions. Comfort and safety are addressed through thoughtfully designed stainless steel handles. The ergonomic Y-shaped handles allow heat to dissipate efficiently, keeping them cool to the touch while providing a secure, balanced grip. This design supports confident handling when transferring cookware from stovetop to oven or sink. Cleanup is effortless. Once cooking is complete, the cookware can be placed directly into the dishwasher, saving valuable time and effort. The nonstick surface prevents food residue from clinging, allowing for quick and easy maintenance even after preparing complex meals. This 15-piece cookware set is designed to fully outfit a kitchen, eliminating the need for additional purchases. It supports a wide range of cooking techniques and meal sizes, making it ideal for families, entertainers, and anyone who values efficiency and performance. What's included in the set: 8-inch frying pan skillet .10-inch frying pan with tempered glass lid .5 quart stockpot with tempered glass strainer lid .1.5 quart saucepan with tempered glass strainer lid .2.5 quart saucepan with tempered glass strainer lid. Stainless steel steamer insert for 5-quart pot. 5-piece kitchen utensils set. Who this cookware set is ideal for. The Gotham Steel Hammered 15 pieces ceramic cookware set is perfect for families, health-conscious cooks, and anyone upgrading their kitchen with a complete cookware solution. It is ideal for busy households that value quick cleanup, reliable performance, and non-toxic materials. Home chefs who enjoy cooking a variety of meals, from simple breakfasts to elaborate dinners, will appreciate the versatility and durability of this set. Final verdict. The Gotham Steel Hammered 15 pieces ceramic cookware set delivers exceptional value by combining healthy non-stick performance, even heat distribution, and long-lasting durability in one complete package. With its toxin-free ceramic surface, induction compatibility, and dishwasher-safe convenience, this cookware set is a smart investment for anyone seeking dependable, everyday cooking performance with professional results. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.